Here we go, guys. 2 minute chart on NVIDIA, and we have about a minute 20. And if I'll tell you the secret here in a minute, but I want to wait for this candle to close before making a commitment. And we'll tell you what the setup is for that. So let me put you on pause and let me see where I can find. Is this it? Yeah, this is the one we're looking at. Matter of fact, let me reverse that. So we're going to be, that's the one. So let me put you on pause and we'll pick it up when the price action picks up. Okay, guys, we got about 15 seconds or so left on this candle. And we're looking for obviously a red candle to come in. We're looking for a short position um, in order to take out this little, ooh, low pivot area. In other words, a push to the downside. And normally it happens on that third candle. We're going into the fourth one here. So we'll see if we get a drive down. Go ahead and get rid of that. So basically, this is all, well, that's fine. If we come up here to the 20 into this area, we'll take that short position. In fact, let me pop a line through there, show you what we're looking at. Make that red for resistance. Or if we nosedive, we're looking at a couple of different offers. When price is just consolidating, 1000% of the time is going to break to the upside or downside. I mean, you have it cornered, and there's only two ways, it can go. So we're just going to sit here and see where we end up. And we're not going to force it. We're not going to, do anything crazy. And I'm thinking it should happen on the next candle. Then in the meantime, this is basically one big red candle here. And right about here is half that candle. So we'll see if we can get up and over it, or if we just consolidate at a lower range and then roll over. So it's going to be interesting here next 30 seconds or so. Let's see, one, two, three. Yeah, it should happen on the next candle that I'm gonna put it here just so you know we called it because it's higher odds, higher probability if it happens on the next candle, a breakup or a breakdown. Um, so that's what we're looking for. So we have a few seconds left on this one, and then the next one, the magic should happen, and then we should get a definite pitch one way or the other. Now, if it doesn't, then let me get over here, try to get through. Okay, this one here. And see over here, the difference in the bid and the ask, that's just freaking ridiculous. Okay, 1,000. Ah, damn, I missed it. Trying to get an even. Yeah, there we go, 1,000. I'll take 1,000. And we did that in about a minute. So not too bad. Knowing this setup, knowing the secret, how to play that. And let's see. See if we come down here, fill this gap, the low to the high up here. If I maybe make that blue for support. Now these big candles, sometimes you'll get, um, backfill, pause candle or a backfill like it's doing now. And that's why we like to get in, get out of there. And also, I didn't mention, but as soon as we're in visually, I don't like putting my stop loss on the exchange because, who knows who can see it. And obviously, it is, I mean, if you type it in, it's uh, place that order, then see what I'm talking about. But anyway, then it can be seen and you can be stopped out just like right there. So anyway, that's why we visually have a stop loss, mental stop loss. We know, where we're going to get in, where we're going to get out, so on and so forth. on those plays. But guys, thanks for following. Thanks for playing these games on Wall Street. And it's always better when you take money out of their account rather than taking money out of your account. So really, you need the training, the education, the mentorship in order to learn how to be a withdrawer. In other words, withdraw money out of your account, every week, every couple of weeks, once a month, whatever, rather than being, which at one time I was a depositor, having to deposit money into the account, every couple of weeks, once a month, whatever, because Wall Street was taking it out. So, yeah, come follow us on Twitter, check out our Patreon members group, and let's get you coached up.